Welcome back, future medicos. I hope you all have come out of Diwali celebrations. So I am back. I'm right now in Chennai. So I have completed my Diwali celebrations at my hometown and I am back. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the important websites that you need to know, particularly if you are interested in applying to medical colleges in the South. So today I'm going to cover only the southern states. Okay, I'm going to cover Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and then finally Telangana. Okay, so these 6 states and the All India Counseling, I'm going to show you the website, and I will also provide the link to each of these websites in the description below. So in case if you are interested in applying to any of these states, all these states allow you to apply for management quota seats, right? Basically, all the 6 states are allowing other state candidates to apply under the management quota or NRI quota. You can apply. So basically, the southern states have lots and lots of medical colleges, particularly private medical colleges, and they allow other state candidates to apply. The deemed universities will be covered under Medical Counseling Committee, MCC, whereas the individual states will take care of the private medical colleges. Okay, so let's go through one site after the other site. In case if you have any doubts in this, you can leave a comment in the section below. I will get back to you. So the first website, which is the most important website, is MCC, Medical Counseling Committee. So right now we are on the Medical Counseling Committee website, MCC. You can see the website is mcc.nic.in. Okay, mcc.nic.in. So you come here and then you click UG Medical Counseling. Okay, so this is the website for you. Okay, this website is right now getting ready. So very soon they will release a notification. So if you are interested in applying for the All India quota, 15% All India quota, AIMS colleges, JIPMER, AFMC Pune, central universities, deemed universities, right? All these you need to register with Medical Counseling Committee, and this is the website. Okay, so you can come here and then take a look. Very soon the website will open so that you can register and participate in the counseling. And this counseling is completely online, so anybody can participate. I have given a lot of information related to All India Counseling. You can go through my videos and you should be able to find very useful information. Next, let us look at Tamil Nadu website, right? Tamil Nadu Medical Selection Committee. So the counseling for Tamil Nadu seats are done by Tamil Nadu Medical Selection Committee, and their website is tnmedicalselection.net or tnmedicalselection.org. So right now we are on the website. So you can see the notifications scrolling. You can just click view all in case if you are bored about the scrolling, then you can see all the notifications here. So once Tamil Nadu releases its prospectus, once it releases the notification, you can find the notification here and you should be able to apply through this website. So Tamil Nadu application is online, whereas the counseling will happen offline, okay, physical counseling, but application can be done online. So here in this particular website, you can register for government counseling, that is government colleges and government quota. That is only Tamil Nadu candidates can participate, whereas everyone, Tamil Nadu candidates as well as other state candidates, can participate in the management quota application. So if you are interested in the private colleges in Tamil Nadu, you need to register under the management quota. This includes CMC Vellore and all the other private medical colleges in Tamil Nadu. It comes under the management quota category. Now let us look at Puducherry. So Puducherry, the counseling authority, is known as CENTAC, Centralized Admission Committee. So this is their website. You can see here centacpuducherry.in. Centacpuducherry.in. You go there right now. You don't have much information about the NEET, but on the right side, you can see here the important note. You can see the NEET cutoff marks for last year. Okay. Once again, if you want to stop, you can click the pause button here. You can see here they have given the NEET cutoff marks in the previous years. like 18, 19, 19, 20, and 2021. For 3 years, they have given the cutoff. So in case if you are interested to find out what was the cutoff in the previous years, you can click here and see that. CENTAC has given a notification that the registration for this year is going to start on Monday, that is 8th November 2021. So come here on Monday, and then you should be able to download the prospectus, and then you can also do the registration. So once again, CENTAC, you can register for the Puducherry residents can register here, as well as other state candidates can register. Now let us look at Kerala. This is the website for Kerala, cee.kerala.gov.in/KEAM 2021. While the application for all the other states are still open or still has not opened, Kerala has closed its applications. Now you cannot apply for Kerala, but those who are participating in the choice filling, of course, you can come here and then participate in the choice filling. For those who are still interested, just keep watching the website. Sometimes suddenly they may open for 1 or 2 days for fresh registration. We do not know, but as of now, the applications has closed. Next, let us look at Karnataka, one of the very popular states for other state candidates because the fee structure is very nominal. So this is the website cetonline.karnataka.gov.in/KEA. KEA stands for Karnataka Examinations Authority. Once you come here, generally the website will open in Kannada language. So don't worry. You go here on the right hand side, you can see a small drop down where it shows right now Kannada. You click that, below you will see English. Select English, then the entire website will be presented in English. Later on, once the notification comes, you can come here, click under the admissions. Admissions, you can see a small arrow downwards. Here, there will be a UG NEET 2021. Right now, the application has not opened for UG NEET 2021, so you don't find it. But subsequently, once the notification is released, you should be able to find it here. In case if you want to know what happened last year, then you can see your previous year admission 2020. You click the arrow here. You can see here UG NEET 2020. If you click this, you can find all the information related to last year, right? Very useful information. Right now, if you want to know about Karnataka, you can go through here, right? This is the information I used to share with all others. But right now, you can go to this website. You can see for yourself. So this is related to Karnataka. Telangana. So Telangana, you can see that Telangana admission is done by Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, or KNR UHS. So they are responsible for counseling for Telangana state. So you can come here to knruhs.telangana.gov.in. Okay. This is the website where you will find the notifications. Of course, for registration, they will have a separate website. Right now, we do not know exactly what is the URL for the registration, but that notification will come in this particular website. So continue to monitor KNR UHS website, then you should be able to find exactly where you need to register. Finally, for Andhra Pradesh, okay. Andhra Pradesh, the counseling is done by Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. Okay. For Andhra Pradesh, the counseling is done by Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. You can come to ntruhs.ap.nic.in. In that website, you should be able to see the notifications related to all the admissions, right? Right now, we can see only last year notifications. This year notifications has not started. Once again, Andhra Pradesh will also have a separate website for registration, but the initial notifications all will come under this NTR main website only. So these are the websites that are important for you if you are interested in studying medical in southern states. I will provide a link to each of these websites in the description below. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.